How to buy gold token. So this token came under the symbol of GLD. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, it is as simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address it's the under the TRX, I guess, network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Click on wallet here and click here. As you can see, and sorry, it's under the Tron network. Now select the Tron network and click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token. As you can see, GLD, click on it, and here click on swap. Switch from here from the top. Select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, so this message, it will be appear here. This is not available on the or you cannot be able to buy it on your wallet. So what you need to do here, as you can see, you can click on the markets here, as you can see here, and this token, it will be, or it's available on MEXC. Now click on this pair here and you will be able to get access to xt.com and make sure to log into your account. What you need to do here after that, click on buy section here, as you can see. Now click on the limit and here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account, and click on buy the GLD token. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. And here click on buy the GLD token. So this is how to buy GLD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.